Hey everyone, Brian here from the Decorazi channel, your ultimate stop for all things Christmas and festive decor. Today we're diving into an exciting episode about the 2024 Christmas decor trends, filled with unique, trendy DIY ornaments and decor ideas to transform your space into a magical holiday wonderland. Whether you're a fan of timeless elegance, rustic charm, or something entirely modern, this video has something for everyone. For 2024, we're seeing a big focus on nature-inspired decor. Think pine cones, fresh garlands, berries, and even little touches of moss. To create a nature-inspired Christmas theme, try making ornaments out of organic materials like twigs, dried flowers, and cinnamon sticks. You can tie these up with twine to add rustic charm. Not only does this style look beautiful, but it also brings a refreshing, earthy scent into your home. Decorate your tree with homemade clay ornaments shaped like leaves, stars, or little animals for that extra natural touch. Adding eucalyptus sprigs, pine branches, or even rosemary to your tablescape will bring a calm and cohesive feel. If you love the idea of a sustainable Christmas, this style is for you. Plus, using natural elements lets you blend indoor and outdoor spaces seamlessly. Minimalism continues to make waves in holiday decor, with 2024 encouraging simple, intentional decorations. Think of a palette of whites, soft grays, and subtle gold accents. With this minimalist approach, you can let each ornament and piece of decor shine. A great DIY option is creating baubles out of plain glass ornaments and filling them with feathers, glitter, or a single sprig of pine. Consider focusing on a single statement piece, like a sleek, all-white Christmas tree adorned with monochromatic ornaments. This pared-down approach allows the few elements you do choose to take center stage, creating a serene and calming effect perfect for a sophisticated holiday atmosphere. If you love a clean, polished look, this is your holiday trend to try. Rustic charm never goes out of style, and in 2024, cozy cabin vibes are trending high. To capture this aesthetic, focus on rich textures and warm tones. Think chunky knit blankets, burlap ribbons, and wooden ornaments. For a DIY project, consider making ornaments out of wood slices with hand-painted designs or your family's names for a personal touch. For this theme, plaid patterns are a must, whether it's on table runners, tree skirts, or stockings. Add some warm fairy lights to create that golden glow, and finish it off with a roaring fireplace or a flickering candle arrangement if you don't have a fireplace. This rustic style brings a comforting, nostalgic feel that's perfect for family gatherings and holiday relaxation. Vintage is making a strong comeback, and for Christmas 2024, it's all about embracing a retro, nostalgic vibe. Bring back the bright reds, greens, and golds, mixed with vintage-inspired ornaments. Try DIY ornaments using old glass or bottle cap decorations, or bring in some vintage candlestick holders and mix them with modern pieces for a delightful clash of eras. If you've got any family heirloom ornaments or classic holiday knickknacks, now's the time to display them proudly. This style taps into the holiday magic of past generations, offering a comforting sense of familiarity. It's perfect for those who want to reminisce while adding a trendy twist to a classic look. For a festive sparkle, 2024's metallics trend is all about shimmer and shine. Gold, silver, and even rose gold tones are dominating Christmas decor this year. You can easily DIY some stunning metallic ornaments by painting clear baubles with metallic paint or add glitter for an extra dose of glamour. Create a sparkling tablescape with metallic chargers, silverware, and candlesticks. This glamorous theme is great for anyone who wants a touch of luxury in their holiday decor. Pair these shiny accents with soft, warm lights to make them pop and bring out their reflective beauty, creating a captivating holiday glow that's both elegant and festive. Scandinavian-inspired decor has been popular for its calm, cozy feel, and it's perfect for Christmas 2024. Embrace neutral colors, natural materials, and minimalistic design elements. Try simple wooden ornaments, white candles, and soft linens to bring a touch of Hygge, the Danish concept of coziness. For DIY ideas, make salt dough ornaments in natural shapes like stars and trees, or wrap gifts in brown craft paper tied with simple white twine. This style emphasizes a relaxed, welcoming ambience. It's ideal for anyone who values warmth, simplicity, and the joy of being present with loved ones during the holidays. Christmas is also a time for playful decor, and 2024 embraces whimsy like never before. Think colorful garlands, oversized ornaments, and unique themes like candy canes and unicorns. This style is perfect for families with kids or anyone who wants a bit of fun in their holiday decor. DIY some ornaments using bright colors and fun patterns, like painting wooden ornaments in rainbow stripes or adding pom-poms to garlands. This style allows for creativity and playfulness, so don't be afraid to mix colors and textures. The whimsical Wonderland theme is sure to bring smiles and a joyful energy to your space. More people are turning to sustainable choices, and Christmas decor in 2024 reflects this shift. For an eco-friendly Christmas, use recycled materials, natural decor, and sustainable ornaments. Create your own ornaments from upcycled items like old newspapers, corks, or bottle caps. Using eco-friendly materials not only helps the environment, but it also adds a unique, creative touch to your decor. It's a wonderful option for anyone who wants to celebrate the holidays in a more mindful and planet-friendly way, leaving a positive impact for future Christmases to come. For a modern and sleek look, black and white Christmas decor is becoming incredibly popular in 2024. Monochrome ornaments, ribbons, and gift wrapping bring a sophisticated touch to the holiday season. DIY black and white paper snowflakes, or decorate your tree with ornaments painted in these classic colors. This minimalist palette works well with metallic accents, like silver and gold, to add a bit of sparkle. If you're aiming for a high-contrast, modern Christmas look, this black and white style is an excellent choice. Thank you for watching and exploring these exciting Christmas decor trends for 2024 with us here at Decorazi. Whether you're inspired to go rustic, glam, whimsical, or minimalist, there are so many ways to make this season your own. Remember, the beauty of Christmas is in the details, and a little bit of creativity goes a long way. If you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment below to share which trend you'll be trying this year. Happy decorating! And here's to making your holiday season as magical as possible. See you in the next video.